When I'm craving French fries, I crave the crispy seasoned ones, and I found the recipe to make them at home. Let's get cooking. Like any good French fry, I love using a russet potato because these are the starchiest. These have the least amount of moisture in them, so when you fry them, they're gonna be crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. And we're just gonna peel them and cut them into perfect little fries. And add them to cold water to keep them from turning brown. I never knew the secret to the seasoned fries until I saw this recipe. It's about making a flavorful batter. I'm gonna sift together flour, garlic salt, onion salt, paprika, and salt into a large bowl. Now just stir in enough water to make a batter that's easily dripped from a spoon. Or a whisk. Before we head to the fryer, we have to drain our fries. You want these to be really dry as possible so that the batter sticks and so they don't splatter everywhere in the oil. If you don't have a thermometer, you can check to see if your oil's ready by dipping in a dry wooden spoon and watch the bubbles crawl up the side just like this. Now dip your fries one by one so they don't stick together. And you want to let all the excess batter drip off. If you need to thin out your batter a little more, you can just add a little more water. And then just fry these until they're golden brown and crispy on all sides, about 7 to 10 minutes. Hot and crispy, no drive-thru required. Because it has the batter, they might tend to get soggy if you let them sit out too long, but go ahead and make a double batch because they reheat perfectly in the air fryer. And now for the taste test. Never met a French fry I didn't like. Like any perfect fry, it's crispy on the outside and flaky and tender on the inside. That extra step of battering the fries adds so much flavor. It's a whole different French fry experience, but very reminiscent of our favorite drive-thru. You know what I'm talking about. I'll eat the whole thing.